This was the earlier kitchen which was available in the flat, but since we amalgamated two flat, the kitchen was shifted to another location, and this part was the newly formed guest bedroom. So the size was not a very big one, but I had made few shifts, and let's dive in. We're entering the guest room. For the guest room, I have used the same laminate by Merino. This is vertical lines, and it's again in white. So this is a very cozy room. While I was designing, I myself was not sure that it could turn out so very well. So for the inside, I've gone for plain white laminate, and for the walls, I've gone again for cream pie. So this is a wardrobe here. This is a wardrobe exclusively for guests. So it's a two-door wardrobe and a drawer. Because there were space constraints, I was not having so much of space to get dedicated dresser. So we have just gone for a flat mirror over here, and proposed sofa cum bed could be here. So because there was a cavity here, and I had knocked down the wall, and this is a common wall between the bar area and the dining and the guest bedroom. So we have got an additional space for storages. So these are just four small storage units. The sofa cum bed would be mounted here. So the length and the width of the place is a perfect one, wherein the sofa cum bed, even when it is open, it will give a very good boost. Now for the ceiling, I have gone for flat ceiling here. I didn't wanted any shapes here. On just this side of the section, we have gone for cove light, so that it actually gels up so well that there's a very good flow of light coming in. The windows are again sliding windows, and those windows have 3-track window with a dedicated mosquito mesh. This is a customized wallpaper. We didn't wanted to have too many effects here on this wall, so subtleness, and because it's a guest bedroom, we wanted it to be very neutral. So that is how this wallpaper was finalized. This is again the main principal switchboard, which is also the switchboard for the bathroom area. The washroom here is kind of a powder toilet. It is kind of a powder washroom. It is only the closet and the basin area. So the control of majority lights are from here. So this is a panel wherein there is a slider panel for the access door to the washroom. So what happens is, this is again soft close. So when the door is closed, I wanted the design of the entire room to follow. So that is how we have gone for the same design which is there on the wall. So if you see here, and if you see the sofa back wall, the laminate are again same. But the door was white, so this door also I've kept on purpose white. Now we are going inside the powder washroom. So it's a very small compact washroom. The basin is by Aquant. There is a mirror provision here. It's a small vanity storage. This is the closet, flush by Kohler, small window and an exhaust. So the tile what I've used here are again by Kajaria. So if you see, the tile are little bit of beige and grey combination. For the bottom, I have used highlighter which are again dark grey, and for the floor, if you see, it's a geometrical pattern mixed which has vertical lines and horizontal line. So the shades in the floor tile is complementing with both the tile shades which are there on the wall, the darker grey and the beige. So if you see this flooring, the design is completely coming up with the overall concept. So this guest bedroom is a very small one, but a very compact and a very cozy one. So overall, the guest bedroom feel, the vibes, while designing, we had so many layouts, we have so many different concepts, but finally this was which got approved and agreed mutually by us and by our clients. So I hope you like this design, and I hope you like the concept. Thank you very much.